Exercise 1.1. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. See question number 1. 3a 2 5 b 2. We did not know the value of a and b. See, let us check what the value of a and b in the methods of trial and error. I will take the values of a is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, I will put the values of a is equal to 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. There is no 5. This is wrong. I will take the value of 1 instead of a is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. There is no 6. It's also invalid. I will take the value of a is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. It is also invalid. 5 plus 3 is 8. This is also invalid. 5 plus 4 is 9. This is also invalid. I will take the value of a is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. There is no 0. That's why it's also wrong. I will take the value of a is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. It's also wrong. 7 plus 5 is 12. See, this is a 2. And I will take the carry 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. A is equal to 7. B is equal to 6. C 3, 2, 7, 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. See, the value of A is 7. Value of B is 6. Problem number 2. We did not know the value of A, B and C. A, B and C. I will take the first value of A, means trial and error method. A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6. I will take the value of A is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. There is no 8. It's also wrong. 8 plus 1 is 9. There is no 9. It's also wrong. I will take the value of A is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. There is no 0. And carry 1. There is no 10. That's why it's also wrong. Instead of A, I will take the value of A is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. There is no 11. I will, instead of A is, I will take the value of A is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. It's also wrong. 8 plus 5 is 13. See, A is equal to 5. A plus 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry 1. See, A is 5, 8, 4, 9. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry 1. 8, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 1. 14. 1. 1, 4, 3. See, the value of A is equal to 5. B is equal to 4. C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Problem number 3. We did not know the value of A. See, the question is also A. The answer is also A. See, I will take the value of A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will take the value of A is 0. A is 0, 0 is 0. See, the 0 is A 0, 0 is 0. The question is also 0. Answer is also 0. See here, the next step. A 0, 0 1 is 0. There is no formation of 0 because it is a invalid. I will take the value of A is 1, 1 1 is 1. See, 1 1, the answer is also 1. A 1 1 is 1. There is a 1, there is no 1, that's why it's also a wrong. I will take the value of A is 2, 2 to the 4, there is a no 2, it's also wrong. 3 3 is a 9, there is a no 3, that's why it's also wrong. 4 4 is a 16, 16, there is a no 4, that's why it's also wrong. 5 5 is a 25, 5 5 5, the carry 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7, there is a no 7, this is a 9, it's also wrong. 6 is a 36, see 6 6 into 1 9, 6 is a 36, 6, the carry 3, 6 into 1 6 plus 3 is 9, the value of A is 6. Comes to the fourth problem. We did not know the value of A and B. I will take the value of B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Instead of B, I will take the value of B is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. Here also is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Thus 10 is the bigger than C, that's why it's also wrong. I will take the value of B is 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, it's also wrong. 7 plus 2 is 9, it's also wrong. 7 plus 3 is 10, it's also wrong. 7 plus 4 is 11, it's also wrong. I will take the value of B is 5, see 5, 7, 3, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1. The value of A is 2, here is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, see 62, 62. B is equal to 5, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, A is equal to 2. Come to the fifth problem. We did not know the value of A, B, C. A, B and C. See, I will take the value of B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will take the value of B is 0, C, 0, 3. 3 zeros are 0. It's also wrong. This is right because here is 0. Instead of 0, I will take the 1, 3, 1s are 3. That's why it is also it is a 1, it is a 3. It's also invalid. This is also invalid. That's why I will give the value of B is 0. 3 zeros are 0. See, I will take the value of A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Value of A is 0. 3 zeros are 0. There is because there is no formation of C, that's why it's also wrong. 3 1s are 3. There is no formation of C. 3 2s are 6. Wrong. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. See, 5 3s are 15. 1 5. 5 5. The value of A is equal to 5. See, value of A is equal to 5. B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. Problem number 6. We did not know the value of A, B and C. I will take the value of B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of B is, I will take the value of B is 0. 5 zeros are 0 because 5 zeros are 0 is formation, but in the place of A, I will take the value of A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. The answer is also A. The question is also 5 3s are 15, 3 and 5. That's why I compare the values of B and A. I will take the value of B is 5. 5 5s are 25. I will take the value of A is equal to 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. See, the value of B is 5. The value of C is 1. Value of A is 5. Value of A is 2. Value of B is 5. Value of C is 1. Come to the seventh problem. We did not know the value of A and B. See, B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. I will take the value of B is 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. There is no formation of a B. The formation of a B is here, but in the place of A, we compare the values of A and B. A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, 6 ones are 6, 1 and 6. There is no formation. In place of B is 2, it's also a wrong. In place of B is 3, it's also a wrong. And in the place of B is, I will take the 4. 6 4s are 24. In the place of A, I will take the value of A is equal to 0. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. There is again no formation of B. It's also a wrong. I will take the value of A is equal to 1. It's also become a wrong, invalid. It's also invalid. It's also invalid, invalid, and 6 also invalid. I will take the value of A is equal to 7. 6 sevens are 42. 42. 6 sevens are 42. So 42 plus 2 is 44. See, value of B is 4. Value of A is 7. To the 8th problem. The problem is very easy. See, you imagine. See, B is equal to 9. 1 plus 9, 0, carry 1, 1. In the place of formation of A 9, what you give the value of A is 7. See, I will give the value of 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. See, value of A is 7. Value of B is 9. Come to the 9th problem. We did not know the value of A, B. I will take the value of B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 7. Okay. See, 1. The value of B is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So, invalid, 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 invalid and invalid. 5 plus 1 is 6. It's also invalid. 6 plus 1 is 7. It's also invalid. 7 plus 1 is 8. I will give the value of B is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. See, in this case, we already know the value of B is 7. I will put the value of B is 7 in the place of B. Again, I will take the value of A is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the value of A is, I will take the value of A is 0. There is a no formation of 8. It's invalid, invalid, invalid. I will take the value of A is 3. 8 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 8 plus see, the 8 plus 7 plus 3 is formation of 10, because it's also invalid. 8 plus 4 is 11. See, I will take the value of A is 4, B is 7, 11, 2, 1. A is equal to, see, A is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. A is equal to 7. Sorry, B is equal to 7. A is equal to 4. The 10th problem, we did not know the value of A and B. I will take the value of A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See, here the answer is 9, 0 and A. I will take the value of A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. Wrong, wrong, because it is a 9. It's also wrong, 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 wrong and wrong. 4, 4, 8. It's also wrong. 5, 5, 10. The 10 is bigger than 9. That's why I will take the value of A is 8. See, I will take the value of A is 8. B is 1. See, A is 8, B is 1. 9, 2, 8, 1, 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. See, value of A is